We are reading for the sign of Leo. So what you guys can expect. So Spirit will be one card. What's really coming towards Leos from now until the end of the month of May 2020? What's really coming towards Leo Spirit? Right now, Page of Pentacles, you are more focused on new beginnings. Okay, something you are finally wanting to end something from the past. I believe with the World card being the bottom card, and with Page of Pentacles, you're very eager to start something new. Okay, some of you might be contemplating whether you should start or not, but I see majorly many of you trying to take a step forward or trying to take that first step towards something new in your life. Okay, forward direction is what I see. Okay, so Spirit, me one card for. What's the main focus going to be for Leo people for the month of May? What's the main focus going to be for Leo people for the month of May? Main focus for you guys is going to be to stay away or to move on from the past. If it's not the past person, you are going to be trying to stay focused, to stay as far as away you can possibly manage from your past, your thoughts, your negative thinking patterns, and whatever was holding you back. Okay, I see you emotionally detaching yourself from the past. Okay, so Spirit, one card for the past, what exactly happened between Leo and their soulmate? One card for the past. In the past, someone walked away or you walked away, but someone, I do see Eight of Cups. So this is a very much a walk away card. Okay, someone did walk away towards someone new, or someone walked away because they could not revive the connection. It could be you or them. Okay, so take however it resonates, but I do see someone walking away. If it's not walking away, then someone was behaving emotionally detached, like they were never interested for some commitment or for some relationship, for that matter. Okay, so one card for your soulmate, please. How is your soulmate possibly coming towards you now? One card for Leo's soulmate. How is Leo's possibly coming forward? I do see for many of you a new person coming in altogether. Okay, no kidding. With Two of Cups and Nine of Pentacles, this person is single. Okay, this person is financially well off. Okay, this person is emotional. Yes, this person is at crossroads right now, but I do see someone wanting to reconnect or connect with you. Okay, so give me one card for what's the strength going to be for Leos for the whole month. What's the main strength going to be for Leos the whole month of May? Main strength is going to be for you guys to bring in changes in your life. You guys are going to be staying focused to move on or to bring in changes. With the Wheel of Fortune, you guys are trying to change your life for the better. Okay, with Ten of Wands, many of you guys could finally decide of ending the past burdens, dropping the past, walking away from the past. Okay, so for the future, what do we see coming for Leo Spirit? What do we see truly coming for Leos for the month of May? I do see you guys getting a lot of attention, lot of recognition, be it your workspace, love life overall. I do see for many of you possibly, okay, I'll say Taurus, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, I see Libra, Gemini, Aquarius being interested in you. Okay, so for now, I do feel that you guys, whichever phase you guys are in, you guys are trying to move on from something from the past. I do see you getting a lot of recognition in your work life, overall life, also getting a lot of attention from new people. I do feel that someone is genuinely interested in making things work with you. Okay, so tell me more about the person who's trying to reconnect or connect with Leos. This person, I believe, could be from the past, could be, I'm saying, doesn't have to be. This person could be a Libra. With Five of Wands, this person has been, if it's not the past person, this person has been trying to get your attention in some which way. Okay, this is not someone brand new. Okay, I do feel that this is someone known, or this person has been trying to get your attention for the past few weeks or months. Okay, so yes, it could be slightly immature. Okay, could be, but yeah. So what's the overall energy going to be like between Leo and their soulmate throughout the month of May, Spirit? What's the overall energy going to be like between Leo and their soulmate throughout the month of May? So I do feel that many of you guys are going to step forward towards committed relationships, something that actually holds value in your life. If it's not like getting committed, then I do see you getting into serious relationships, like something that might have a future, or that something that will move forward. Okay, So how's your soulmate energy going to be towards you, Leo people? How Leo soulmate energy going to be towards Leo? Yeah, Six of Cups. Someone is definitely trying to reconnect. This person is not someone brand new. For many of you, this person is already known. It not might be your ex, but it might not be your ex, but I do feel that this person is somewhat known. Okay, so this person is definitely going to try to reconnect. Their energy is such. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you. One card for Leo soulmate's intentions towards Leo now. One card for Leo soulmate's intentions towards Leo now. With the Empress card, this person does want to grow with you, does want to move things forward with you. This person is genuinely wanting to move things forward with you on a very real level, on a very genuine level. Okay, so one card for their feelings towards you, or what are their feelings going to be for you for the month of May. For some of you, this person might be a Libra or Taurus. Okay, I see these signs very strongly. In terms of their feelings, this person feels like they have been waiting on you, or they've been trying to see where things could go, but this person has not been doing much in terms of expressing their feelings. If it's a known person, this person has been basically waiting, okay, for them to express their feelings. I do not feel like this person has expressed their feelings for you. Yes, they might have tried to get your attention, but I genuinely do not see this person has expressed, or in the past in any which way. Spirit, give me one more card for their feelings for Leos. Or this is not someone known with the Seven of Pentacles. This person feels like they have tried in some which way to get your attention, or to get to basically give you a vibe. This person in the past could have tried to deny their feelings, or were trying to stay away from their feelings, which I do see them openly expressing this very month. Okay, so what are they possibly wanting to offer you now? So what are they possibly wanting to offer you for the month of May? Spirit, me one card. What's the Leos possibly wanting to offer Leos now? Sorry. For selected few of you, I do feel that they are going to start off, opening up to you. I do not see this person, starting off directly with a commitment. They will start off, letting yourself know about them, trying to tell you about their interest, like what they are wanting with you. I do not directly see them offering you commitment for at the very start of it. Okay, so where is this connection possibly moving forward, Spirit? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Leos? Right now, I do see Leos being a little restless. Okay, you feel kind of a little exhausted. With Ten of Wands, you guys have gone through a lot for the past let's say 5-6 months. Okay, Spirit, give me one more card for what's the outcome going to be between Leo and the soulmate that they'll meet or are connected with, whoever they are going to be in contact with. I do feel genuinely that you guys will move forward with this connection. It will take time. It's not going to be like one go and done. It will go in steps, but it will go towards something good. Okay, and you guys genuinely going to want to make this work in the future. Right now, you might not be in the mindset of relationships and stuff. Okay, but I do see that this thing, with time is going to move towards commitment. So, what are they possibly wanting from you now? So, what are they possibly wanting from you, Leos? So, what are they possibly wanting from Leos? This person is very much attracted to you, very, very sexually attracted. This person cannot stop thinking about you. So they might want to stay close or come close towards you. Okay, I do see this person wanting to take steps forward towards you. This person is very, very sexually attracted to you. Okay, this person has some sort of interest towards you. Give me one more card for what's the Leo possibly waiting on. They are wanting you to genuinely make a move forward towards them. They want you to move together forward in this connection, and they want you to keep hope and faith with the star card that might move forward. But when they come forward towards you, or when they initiate conversation, you won't really feel like this person is wanting commitment. But with time, and I do see it moving in that direction. Right now, they are very much sexually attracted to you. They cannot stay away from you with the devil card. Okay, so Spirit, give me 2 cards for love message from Leo, soulmate to Leo. So I believe that if this person is known, okay, if it's known person, they wanted you to fight for them in the past, okay, and they believe that you basically gave up on them. Okay, Spirit, give me one more card for Leos. Love message from their soulmate. Sorry. This person in the past might have not had the finances to be in a relationship or to feel comfortable around you, and in the past mainly I feel like they felt like they were waiting on something that could not work. Okay, this person genuinely feels like this is a destiny made connection and you guys were meant to cross each other's path for a reason. I love all your perfect imperfections. Okay, so yes, this is a connection to be looked forward to. I genuinely feel that this was a good read. Yes, it might take time for you to reconnect, but I do see it moving forward. So if you resonate with this reading, darling, please you support the channel with your likes, with your support, your comments, and please do keep coming back for regular readings. Thank you so much. Cheers.